Okay, this screencast is going to demonstrate how to adjust the class discussion board so that they are not set up as discussion board items, but rather as course links. And so in this course, you'll notice that the Unit 1 discussion board is set up as a link as an actual discussion board, and it was probably set up by the developer by going to the drop-down menu and selecting Add a Discussion Board and Go, and then selecting a discussion board from the discussions that are already set up and created in here in the class discussion area, or by just creating a brand new discussion board, which would then show up in the class discussion area. And now we don't want to use this function. We used to use this function, and we found that by doing so, the discussion board links are breaking between the unit content and the class discussion, and then they're breaking between the class discussion area and the grade book. So rather than using the discussion board item, what we really want to be doing is setting up our class discussions from the unit content as a course link to the class discussion area. So to do that, when it's already been set up this way, you just want to select the text of the discussion board topic and copy it. And then you're going to come up here and go to the course link. And we're adding the Unit 1 discussion. And then we're going to paste the topic in here. And then the important thing here is we're going to browse the course for the class discussion that we want to link to. So since this is Unit 1, we're going to link it to the Unit 1 discussion board. Make sure that yes is checked for the content available. You probably don't need to track these views, and sometimes people want to set up display dates, but in this case I think we'll just leave those empty. And click Submit and click OK. And now you will see, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the unit, the class discussion is now set up. You'll know that it's now a course link because the icon is a little bit different versus this icon. And so let's just click on it to make sure it takes us to where we want it to go. And here we are in the Unit 1 discussion board. So we can go back to Unit 1. And the last part of this is to remove this link. And then if you want to rearrange the items on the page, you just use the drop-down arrow and you should be all set. If you have any questions, please let me know.